This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Zen to PC. First, gather your essential cables, typically a standard USB-A to micro USB or USB-C. Next, ensure your computer meets the basic system requirements, usually a modern operating system and a few gigabytes of RAM. Finally, download and install the necessary companion software or drivers from the official website before proceeding. With your software ready, physically connect your Zen device to a free USB port on your PC using the appropriate cable. You should see an indicator light on the Zen, confirming power and connection. On your computer, a notification might appear, indicating a new device. If not, check your device manager. Ensure the cable is securely plugged into both ends to avoid intermittent issues. Now, launch the Zen Companion application you installed earlier. The software should automatically detect your connected device. It's crucial to update your Zen's firmware to the latest version through the application for optimal performance and compatibility. Once updated, navigate through the settings to configure your preferred profiles, button mappings, and sensitivity levels, saving your changes. To confirm everything is working, open a compatible game or application on your PC. Test various functions, ensuring all buttons and inputs respond correctly. You can fine-tune settings like dead zones or rumble intensity within the Zen software for a personalized experience. Experiment with different configurations to unlock the full potential of your Zen device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.